People do yoga more often than they think, and they may not even know it. Just simple breath work, that's yoga. Grounding, being centered, being present. Yoga is accessible to everybody. Just trying to get that movement in, that breath work in, incorporate it whenever you can, just to help be more present. Movement is medicine. Making that a lifestyle so you can be present, in your daily activities. I know it's hard to juggle all of that. Me being a single mom myself with 3 kids and a full-time job, you just have to make the time. You have to make the time for your health, for your wellness, for your kids. We can make time for so many other things. You have to prioritize it and not overthink it. And, food is medicine, movement is medicine. Diabetes is not our destiny. It means not settling for the lifestyle that we were raised in. It means doing better for future generations. It means we have everything we need to be better for our people and for our families. Diabetes is not our destiny.
Hi, Shannon Andrews and Diana Key. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa JB, talk. Torigun.
Today we are making cranberry sauce. For this recipe, you will need 12 ounces of fresh cranberries, 1 cup of 100% orange juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Add ingredients to saucepan and mix. Fresh cranberries are usually available in stores from October to December. Choose berries that are bright in color with a smooth, glossy, firm skin. Fresh cranberries can be stored in the fridge or in their original package for 2 to 4 weeks. Freeze fresh cranberries in a plastic food storage bag for up to 12 months. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Stir as needed to prevent sticking. Reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Berries will pop and sauce will thicken. The Otoe word for cranberry is Otoe-Missouria. Native Americans introduced cranberries to the colonists when they arrived in North America. They used cranberries in many dishes just like we do today. Native Americans also used cranberries for dyeing rugs and blankets, and as medicine for treating wounds and preventing illness. Cranberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Studies have linked cranberries to the promotion of urinary tract health and that they may protect against heart disease and certain types of cancer. Try other berries when in season. Instead of cranberries, try strawberries or blackberries. Frozen fresh cranberries can also be used. This recipe makes 8 servings. 1 serving is 1/4 cup. Serve warm or chilled. Enjoy cranberry sauce on its own or top turkey, pork, or chicken with cranberry sauce for the holidays. Pour over low-fat cream cheese and serve with veggies, crackers, or toasted bread as a dip. Sauce can also be used as a topper for breakfast cereal like oatmeal, cream of wheat, or grits. Enjoy!